Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add featured areas to your primary website. These right down here. Now, I'm going to show you in a separate video on how to edit to make them look this attractive. But to get these cities on, to be able to put them on your featured areas, I'm going to show you how to do that. And remember, in a second video, I'm going to show you how to edit them and make them look pretty and add pictures and all that stuff. So there you go. Disclaimer, you may or may not be able to do this depending on your plan, your team, or your brokerage. If you don't see what I'm showing you, talk to your team leader or your brokerage and see if they're able to give you access to it. At Real, we've got full access. There's no restrictions. So that is absolutely fantastic. All right. So Dave, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content. And here we go. So where do you find it? So you're going to go under here, the areas tab. And these are all the areas that I've linked to. So why would you link these? So I'm going to show you on here. The cool thing with these featured areas, so if you click on, let's say, Edina, it's going to pull up what's for sale in Edina, the area, the zip code, market stats, listings, solds, market trends, all these things. And I'll go into more detail of these later. But this is why you want featured listings, because it really highlights the city. And if you want to market to certain cities, do this. And when you add featured cities, the coolest thing about it is you're adding so many keywords to your website that people will be searching online. And maybe they randomly find your website because they're looking for homes for sale in Edina or whatever, you know? So again, it's your goal is to drive traffic to your website in a free way, but also to add value and information to those people that are looking to buy or sell, and they can research cities on your website. So again, giving value, giving value, giving value. All right, let's go back and I'm going to show you how to do that. Super easy to add a city. So you can add a city or a neighborhood. Now I recommend cities unless you have very distinct neighborhoods that are well known and your MLS supports that. Not every MLS will actually will do neighborhoods or recognize neighborhoods. So if you do neighborhood and you type it in and it doesn't show up, it's because your MLS doesn't recognize it. Nothing to do with Lofty. It's your MLS doesn't recognize it. But we're going to add a city because that's what we should do. So add a city. So we're going to type in one that I don't have on there. So Maple Grove, there we go, Minnesota. So it shows you, highlights the area of the city. And then here, if you're running a team or a brokerage, and if you want to add value to your agents, this is where you can add a specific agent to that city. So when I was running a team, and if I had Joe Schmo living in Maple Grove, I could drop down and I could add Joe Schmo. So when they would go to the team website and they would search, then they would say that featured agent would be Joe Schmo. So again, why wouldn't Joe Schmo be on this if he's more proficient in Maple Grove? So it adds value to your team, adds value to your agents, but it's a really good way. I don't have a team anymore, so it's just me. So I'm going to add myself. You hit save. Featured area created. Fantastic. So there it is. Maple Grove, and then it has the featured agent. So again, this is only going to be me, but you can change that. Let's say an agent leaves your team or joins your team that you want to add to that area. All you got to do is hit the little edit button. You can change the agent out again. There you go. Or if you don't want to do that city anymore, you just hit the delete button right here, which I'm going to do. It's gone. Delete it. So that's how you add an area. Now in a separate video, I'm going to show you how to make it look nice and make it look beautiful on your website. But you can't do that part until you do this part first. All right, please like, subscribe, and share to this content because sharing is caring, and I really love what I do. But overall, I want to make our industry better. So hopefully I can do that. So again, I look forward to seeing you. And next video will be on widgets, which is pretty cool. A lot of features to that. So make sure you watch that video as well. All right, have a great day.